Following two pro the following two problems discuss how to deal with exponents, and it brings in the idea of substitution and then how do I simplify exponents. And there's two interesting cases that go on here. So let's look at the first problem and how we would solve it. The first thing I want to point out is when you're doing this substitution, it becomes vital that you write everything down. And this is going to become more and more important as you move through your math classes. So we're going to put 3, and we always put it in parentheses when we do a substitution like that. And then we're going to do plus 4y, but instead of y, we're going to write negative 2. And so we're going to have negative 2 cubed. So we got 3 times 3 squared plus 4 times negative 2 cubed. Well, now it's just dealing with the exponents. Remember, exponents become before multiplication. So I don't want to multiply 3 times 3 together to start. What I want to do is I want to do 3 squared, which gives you 9. If you multiplied 3 times 3 together, you would get 81, because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 squared is 81. Whereas here, you do 3 squared, which is 9, and then multiply by 3. The second part, you got 4 times, well, a negative 2 cubed. Well, negative 2 cubed is written as a negative 2 times a negative 2 times a negative 2. There are 3 negatives, which means it's a negative answer, because an odd number of negatives is negative. And then 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So our answer becomes 27 plus 4 times negative 8 is a negative 32. Do this simple arithmetic, and you get negative 5 as your answer. The second problem, plug in 3 for x, so you get a negative 3 squared. Notice how I did parentheses again, which makes this problem particularly easy compared to what it is sometimes. And then plus 5, and again, you got negative 2 cubed. So 3 squared is 9, and then this negative is just multiplying, so it becomes negative 9. Remember, this right here is equal to a negative 9. It's not negative 3 times negative 3. It's 3 times 3 times a negative 1. So negative 9 plus a negative 2 cubed, we just already talked about up here. That's negative 8. Now I deal with the multiplication. You get negative 9 plus negative 40, which equals a negative 49. And that is your answer.